Alright, wanted to do a real quick installation video. I got this acrylic insert for the third tail light for my Honda CRX, and I'm going to put this in here so that when it lights up it'll say CRX. So basically, open your hatch, turn that, and this cover just comes right off. There'll be two bolts holding the light fixture on. Just remove those two 10mm bolts and the light fixture will come out. You have to unplug this connector as well. And then this rubber gasket just peels right off, and the insert sticks right in there. It's a nice snug fit. Kind of press it in just a little bit, then replace the gasket. Make sure that the lip seats all the way around. Then you can go ahead and put the fixture back in place and put the two bolts in, plug your connector back in, and then throw this back on it and push it in, quarter turn to the right, and you're done. Pretty simple.